Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to embody the Kiyora Jin Breakdance style. This unique approach emphasizes exceptional core strength and balance, allowing for fluid and powerful movements. A strong core is your foundation, enabling you to maintain control during complex maneuvers and execute dynamic transitions. Focus on exercises that build abdominal and back strength, alongside drills that challenge your equilibrium. This foundational work is essential for mastering the intricate techniques ahead. Next, let's focus on agile footwork and technical dribbling, key elements of this style. Think of your feet as dancing across the ground, making quick, successive touches on the ball. This requires intense coordination and repetition to build muscle memory. Practice drills that improve your speed and frequency of foot movements, making your intentions unpredictable. Mastering this allows you to weave through spaces with remarkable finesse and control. Now, let's explore some signature acrobatic moves. The backspin pass involves a high-speed, ground-level delivery with incredible backspin, causing the ball to slow or curve unexpectedly. For the twister pass, imagine an aerial spiral motion while controlling the ball overhead, combining balance, strength, and coordination. These advanced techniques require dedicated practice to achieve the precision and flair that define this dynamic style. To truly master this style, consistent practice and a focused mindset are crucial. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to drills that enhance your core, balance, and footwork. Embrace a creative approach, always looking for new ways to combine movements and surprise your opponents. Remember, the goal is not just execution, but also expressing your unique flair. With patience and persistence, you will develop a truly exceptional and captivating style.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.